Hello everyone, my name is Kazi Sartaj Ahmed and welcome to Fun Facts. For today's video, I'm going to be explaining how to open a bKash account. The procedure is super simple and you should be able to open the account within minutes. So now let's look into how to register for a bKash account. Alright, so our first step would be to download the bKash app from the Play Store. Once we're done downloading the bKash app, what you have to do is open up the app and at first enter your number, the number that you're going to be using to register for bKash. Then you choose your mobile operator. You wait for a verification code to be sent to the number that you use to register for the account. If you're done verifying your number for the bKash account, what you have to do is accept to all their terms and agreements. Alright, so now what you have to do is you have to take a picture of the front of your NID card, setting it in the frame that they'll give you. Alright, then you confirm that, and then you have to take a picture of the back of your NID card in the same way. Then you confirm that as well. Next step will be to basically confirm all your personal data like your gender, and then your source of income, and then your approximate monthly income and your job. After that, you have to take a selfie. You have to wait for around 48 hours for bKash to confirm your account registration. After you're done getting the confirmation SMS within 48 hours, what you have to do is log into the bKash app again. Try to log in with the bKash app again using the number that you used to register. Then choose your operator again, and then you have to wait for a verification code to be sent to your number for number verification. Alright, after you verify your number, what you have to do is, and this is a very important step, you have to basically create your own PIN number for your account. Now, this is as important as knowing your card or bank account PIN number. And a few things to keep in mind is that it has to be 5 digits long, and also you can start the PIN number with 0. So it has to be 5 digits long and you cannot start it with the PIN number 0. Alright, so after that you have to log in with the new PIN number that you set. And then you have to set your name, display name for the account. If you've taken the picture already, or if you want to take a new picture, you can, or it's optional, you don't even need it. And alright, now you can use the bKash app. If you found my tutorial video on how to register for a bKash account useful, then please do leave a like and also subscribe to my channel for more future videos.